Hello, today we are going to talk about median and we will learn how to find a median without knowing the formula. Let's make our group data CI, change the color, and this is my class interval. I'll take some hypothetical values. So these are my marks. Student got marks out of 20. So I've divided those marks into some class intervals and marks between 5 to 10, 10 and 15, 15 and 20. So the number of students who got marks between 0 and 5 are 4. For 5 and 10 we have got 7 students. For 10 and 15 we have got 6 students. For 15 and 20 we have got 3 students. Okay, now we need to find the median. Okay, the marks obtained by the middle student, and if you know this you'll be able to derive the formula as well. Okay, right now I myself don't remember the formula, but I know I can do it and I get the answer. So uh, marks obtained by the middle student, this is what I have to do. So I need to find the middle student first. So how can I find the middle student? First I'll try to find out the cumulative frequency, and the frequency over here, that is my sigma f is equal to 20. Let's count it: 7, 4, 11, 6, 17, and 320. Okay, now how many students got marks less than 5? That is 4 students. Less than 10, 11 students. Less than 15, 17 students. And the last value is 20. So you should always take care that this sigma f should be equal to the last value of the cumulative frequency. Okay, now what you need to find is the median. How will you find the median? Now we know that we have got 20 students in total. We need to find the marks of the middle student. So let's find our n by 2, and that is my 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Okay, if I had got a number 21, say, so I'll do the same thing, 21 by 2, and what I will get is 10.5. Doesn't matter you get an odd number or an even number, still you have to do n by 2. That's it. Okay, now in this case I've got 20 by 2, that is the marks obtained by the 10th student. So where is my 10th student? 10th student fall over here. The marks of the 10th student is between 5 and 10. Okay, so this is my median class. Okay, so we need to find, so we can see that 7 students got marks between 5 and 10, and since in median they are arranged in the ascending order, so we'll arrange the marks of the 7 students in the ascending order, and we'll give them marks as well, since we don't have marks over here, but we'll give them marks. We just have the idea that they have got marks between 5 and 10, but all the 7 students, what marks they scored, we don't have any idea. Okay, so we'll do it over here. So all, let's have our students. The 5th student, here we have got the last student, 4th one, then the 5th comes over here. In the same way we have got the 6th student, the 7th one, the 8th one, the 9th one, the 10th one, and the 11th one. Okay, so, and we know that since the lower limit is 5, that means this is the least marks all the 7 student have scored. Okay, so they should get at least 5 marks, but since they got marks between 5 and 10, and in median we arrange the data in the increasing order, so we need to give them marks accordingly. So let's divide the marks. So we have got the difference in it, we have got, that is my 5 is the difference, and there are 7 students. We'll divide 5 marks by 7 and give the 5th student 5 by 7 more marks. So at least they should get 5 marks, the lower limit, plus 5 by 7 extra marks. Okay, so the 6th student will get, the 5th student will get 5 marks plus 5 by 7. This one will get marks 5 by 7, so they will become equal. So give another 5 by 7 to it. Every time when we move forward, we'll increase the number, whatever number, by 5 by 7 each time. So in this case, I'll get 5 by 7 into 3 times. Here we got 2, 1, get 3. In this case, we get 5 by 7 into 4 times, 5 by 7 into 5 times, 5 by 7 into 6 times. Now this is the marks the 10th student will get besides this 5 marks. So 5 by 7 into 6 times, and this is my answer. This is my median. Let's solve it further. We get 35 plus 30 by 7, and we get 65 by 7. Dividing it, we get 7 nines are 63, and 2 by 7. This is my answer. Let's try to put this thing into the formula. So let's write median over here. M stands for median. Median over here is equal to, this is my 5, my lower limit, the marks at the least marks which each of the students should get over here. That's 7 students, so that's my lower limit. Plus they should get some more marks, so this is the 5, that's the difference. 5 and 10, there's a difference, so I'll call that difference as H, and that was divided into 7 students, 7. So oh gosh, that will be my frequency of the median class. So let's say FM, frequency of this is the 1, this is the 1, frequency of the median class. And what we get, from where do we get the 6? I got the 6 from 6 student, 1 2 3 4 5 6 student. So I have got n minus n by 2, my 10 student, subtracting 4 from it, that, or this 4 from it, or this 4 from it, but this should be this 4. Okay, that is my cumulative frequency of the class, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay, so this is my, this for cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is my median class, and this is the class that is preceding, and this is the frequency that is preceding this class. Okay, so this is my cumulative frequency. Okay, so this is the formula for median. That looks very clumsy, but it's got a subtle understanding in it. Thanks for watching the video.